Yeah, this is Indian Chief, 1944 model, 1944, 1200cc V12 engine, and it's got totally different system from other bikes. It's got left accelerator on the left hand side, clutch on leg. It's a hand gear model.
How many gears?
4 gears.
So how much cc you said?
1200cc.
Any BHP idea?
BHP approximately I don't have any idea right now.
And this is liquid cooled or oil?
No, air-cooled, not liquid cooled. It's
Restoration cost?
restoration we have not done actually as of now. It belongs to Hyderabad only. Earlier this vehicle was. In 2011 or 12 it went to Pune. Again it's back in Hyderabad. It's owned by my brother Javed Bhai, and we have bought it, and it's very comfortable bike. Even at the speed of 80-90 we can leave the handle. It goes stable and very stable bike, and it's a different pleasure to drive, not comparable to any other bike. It's an American cost around 26 lakhs, and it's American model, because it's been issued to a police department, because they will be using guns on the right hand side. That is the reason on the left hand side it was given that accelerator on the left hand side.